Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I want to discuss continuous hybridization video, continuous class, hybridization class. In that hybridization, I want to give trick how to identify the hybridization in competitive exams like JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET and other competitive exams. Please follow my trick. Definitely 100% surely you will get 1 mark, 1 or 2 mark. Be able to get answer. Very simple method. I want to give all hybridization tricks with their shape and bond angle and structure and number of lone pairs, number of bond pairs. Please follow my video. Hybridization. Already I discussed sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, sp3d2 d3 hybridization. Okay, these 6 hybridizations. Here remember that its power is 2, its power is 3, the sum of powers is 4, the sum of power is 5, the sum of power is 6, the sum of power is 7. For trick purpose, remember these powers, different types of hybridizations powers. Take here molecule. Take molecule and it's a hybridization. It's a hybridization molecule and it's a hybridization. Number of lone pairs. How many lone pairs are there in that given molecule? And shape. What is the shape and the bond angle of given molecule? Follow my method. Already I was discussed sp hybridization last class. Now I want to continue same. For example, BeCl2 they given BeCl2 beryllium chloride. Beryllium belongs to second group element. Just draw 2 dots. Second group means right 2 dots. So 2 chlorines are there. So bonding 2 chlorines each dot. So give one chlorine bonding always single bond and give numbering 1 2. 1 2 means sum of powers is in sp hybridization is 2. So now beryllium chloride is sp hybridization. There is no lone pair. The shape of the beryllium chloride is linear and bond angle is 180 degrees. And same method follow BeH2. And also so many examples are there. BeH2, CO2, BeH2. Again beryllium belongs to second group. So 2 hydrogens are there. Hydrogen always form single bond. Here 1, here 2. Sum of powers is 2. Now it belongs to sp hybridization. Hybridization, any lone pairs are there? No lone pair. Same linear and 180 degrees bond angle. CO2, carbon belongs to fourth group. Write 4 dots. Fourth group means we have to know group number, central element group number. If you don't know central element group number, write the electronic configuration. If number of outer shell orbital electrons only their group number. So here carbon having 4. So fourth group, it is a central atom in CO2. So oxygen always form double bond, use 2 dots. Here also I am using 2 dots for 2 oxygens. For 1 oxygen give 1, another one is 2. The sum of powers is 2 means again sp hybridization, 0 lone pairs. The shape is linear shape and 180 degrees. Okay, for example, I want to discuss BCl3, boron trichloride. Boron atomic number is 3. Boron atomic number is 5. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Outer shell orbital electrons are 2 plus 1, 3 electrons are there. It belongs to third group. Write 3 dots. How many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. 3 chlorines means each dot give one chlorine with a single bond. Okay, so here top to bottom give numbering 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means sp2. Sum of powers only 3. So now boron trichloride belongs to sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pair. Its shape is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar with bond angle is 120 degrees. Bond angle is 120 degrees. Okay. BCl3. Again, for example, CH4 is there. CH4 means carbon belongs to fourth group. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2s2, 2p2 means number of outer shell orbital electrons are 4. Carbon belongs to fourth group. Fourth group means write 4 dots. I have written 4 dots. Number of hydrogens are 4. Here 4 hydrogens are there. I am writing 4 hydrogens. So each hydrogen, so bonding single bond from top to bottom, giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4. Here sp2, not sp3, sp2. Okay, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 means its hybridization is sp3 with 0 lone pair. 0 lone pair means tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape, bond angle is 109 degrees and 5 or 7 minutes. Some books they are given 5 minutes and 7 minutes. CH4. And also same example apply with silicon tetrahydride. Silicon tetrahydride means silicon belongs to again fourth group. Write 4 dots. So how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens are there. So give 4 hydrogens each dot and give numbering from top to bottom 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means sum of powers having which of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Now it is also belongs to sp3 hybridization. No lone pairs are there. 0 lone pairs. Again which is belongs to tetrahedral shape. So these are the important trick for hybridization in various, how to identify the hybridization in various exams. Please just remember central atom group number and write the number of dots. If central atom belongs to second group, write 2 dots. If it is belongs to fourth group, write 4 dots. If it is belongs to third group, write 4 dots. And like this, I given so silicon sp3, sp hybridization linear, sp2 hybridization trigonal planar with 120 degrees, sp3 0 lone pairs, tetrahedral 109 degrees, 5 minutes. This is silicon hydride. Next, for example, sulfur tetroxide, SO4, sulfate ion, SO4 minus 2 belongs to which type of hybridization? We know sulfur is 6th group elements, write 6 dots. Sulfur is belongs to, sulfur atomic number is 16. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 like the 3p4. So it is belongs to 6th group elements, write 6 dots. Oxygen again 6 dots. Here -2 negative charge is there, -2 is there, add 2 dots. Negative charge means gaining electrons in this, gaining electrons means, so I written so 2 more dots in this. For SO4 minus, S means 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y means S belongs to 6th group. Now it is anion means negative charge, -2 is there, I written 2 dots for -2. Sulfur always belongs to, oxygen always bonding with the double bond. How many oxygens are there? 4 oxygens are there. So I am using 2 dots for each oxygen. Now give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 means sum of powers equal to 4. 4 means which hybridization having 3 plus 1, 4. So sp3 hybridization having power 4. Now SO4 minus 2 belongs to sp3. sp3 with 0 lone pair. sp3 with 0 lone pairs means tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape. Bond angle is again 109 degrees, 109 degrees, 5 minutes or 7 minutes. SO4. For example, NH4 plus ammonium ion having which type of hybridization, and what is the shape of ammonium ion, we don't know. Just remember that nitrogen belongs to fifth group, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots I have written. Nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2p3 means 2s2, 2p3 means, so 5 electrons are the outer shell orbital, so it is fifth group elements. Now here cation is there, here anion is there, here cation is there. Anion means we added 2 dots. Here cation means, so eliminate 1 dot. Eliminate 1 dot. Now remaining how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen always bonding in single bond. Single bond. So each dot I am giving 1 hydrogen. Then give number from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 means, so which type of hybridization? sp3 with 0 and tetrahedral shape, 109 degrees, 5 minutes. Now this is sp3 with 0, sulfate ion and ammonium ion. If it is anion is there, add few more dots. If it is negative charge is -2, I added 2 dots. If it is positive cation is there, so eliminate 1 dot. Okay, remove 1 dot from that. So I removed 1 dot, then so it gets sp3 0. For example, ammonia. This is ammonium ion. Now I want to discuss in ammonia. Ammonia, again nitrogen belongs to fifth group. Write 5 dots. Right? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. Each dot belongs to how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen. I am giving each dot 1 hydrogens. Now how many dots are there? 2 dots are there. So for 2 dots, pairing them, please remember it, please, in this. Now here all dots are equal to all atoms, but here 3 hydrogens are there, remaining 2 dots are there. So always remaining dots, pairing them, please. If you pairing them, these dots give pairing dot for number 1, next number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 4 means sum of powers having 4, which type of hybridization? sp3. Now any lone pair is there? 1 lone pair is there. sp3 with 1 lone pair anywhere, the shape of the molecule is pyramidal shape. Which shape? Pyramidal shape. The bond angle is 107 degrees. 107 degrees. Why 107 degrees in ammonia means? In next class, so I will discuss with the detailed explanation in all molecules. Now this is ammonia. So for example, ammonia NH3, in the NCl3 is there, for example, NCl3. In NCl3 also nitrogen belongs to again fifth group, means right 5 dots. Fifth group means right 5 dots. So each one give 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine. Again remaining, so dots, pairing them, and for dot 1, 2, 3, 4. In LCl3 also we are getting sp3 hybridization with 1 lone pair and pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. So these are the few more example for sp3 0 lone pair, sp3 1 lone pair. Again in H2O, water molecule H2O. Oxygen is the central atom. Oxygen belongs to sixth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. I have written 6 dots. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. So write 2 dots. Hydrogen always bonding single bond. Now remaining dots, pairing them, please. I want to pair these 2 dots. I want to pair these 2 dots. Now for pairing I want to give number 1. Again remaining another pair, so I want to give number 2. So now this is 3, this is 4. Sum of powers equal to 4. Which type of hybridization having sum of powers 4? sp3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pairs are there. Here 1 lone pair, here 2 lone pair. Number of electrons are 4. Number of lone pairs are 2. sp3 with 2 lone pairs are there anywhere. The shape of the molecule is V shape. V shape. So bond angle is 104 degrees 28 minutes. 104 degrees 28 minutes. S2O. I want to discuss ClO2 minus. Okay, actually chlorous acid HClO2, in HClO2 H plus plus ClO2 minus. Now ClO2 minus, chlorine undergoes which type of hybridization? Means chlorine belongs to 7th group, always 7th group. Write 7 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So negative charge is there. For one negative charge is there, I want to take one more dot. Okay, added one more dot. How many oxygens are there? Two oxygens are there. Each oxygen bonding double bond with, so take two dots for each oxygen. Remaining dots are pairing them. For pairing also give number 1. So number 2, number 3, number 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. sp3 hybridization with two lone pairs are there. One lone pair, two lone pairs are there. Anywhere sp3 hybridization with the two lone pairs means V shape, bond angle is 104 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, ClO2. For example, ClO3 minus chlorate ion, ClO3 minus HClO3 actually. HClO3 means chloric acid, HClO3 chloric acid, HClO3 H plus plus ClO3 minus. In this ClO3 minus again chlorine belongs to 7th group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again one negative charge is there. I written one dot. So how many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. 1 2 3. So 3 chlorines are there. Remaining dots are pairing them and give number 1. So for pairing electrons also give number 1. So one pair is there 2. So 3 4. sp3 with one lone pair is there. Anywhere if you observe, sp3 with two lone pairs means V shape. sp3 with two lone pairs means V shape. sp3 with one lone pair means pyramidal shape. Remember it please. Pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. Bond angle is 107 degrees. So this is about sp, sp2, sp3. sp3 one lone pair, sp3 two lone pairs. sp means linear shape. sp2 means so trigonal planar 120 degrees bond angle. sp3 means tetrahedral 109 degrees 5 minutes bond angle. Okay, sp3 with one lone pair is there, pyramidal shape. sp3 with two lone pairs are there, V shape, 104 degrees 28 minutes. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus belongs to which group? 5th group means I want to write 5 dots. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many chlorines are there? 4 chlorines, 5 chlorines are there. Each chlorine so belongs to each chlorine bonding with single bond with each dot. So give numbering 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means sum of powers equal to 5 means which type of hybridization? sp3 dehybridization. sp3 d. Here 3, here 1, here 1. Total sum of 5. sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization means the shape of the molecule is zero lone pair. There is no lone pair. Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. The shape of the molecule is trigonal. Bond angle is 90 degrees and 120 degrees. I will discuss in next class. So how it is, the bond angle is 90 and 120. What is the shape of the PCl5? So with theoretically I will discuss in next class PCl5. For example, SbF5, AsF5. Okay, arsenic pentafluoride. Okay, strontium pentafluoride. Sb also nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Antimony also 5th group. So write 5 dots. Okay, each fluorine belongs to, so each dot number of fluorines are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Again sp3d 0 lone pair same. Arsenic pentafluoride also arsenic belongs to which group? 5th group. 5th group means 5 dots. 5 fluorines are there. 5 fluorines are there. 1 2 3 4 5. sp3d 0 lone pairs same. Okay, so next, for example, SF4 sulfur tetrafluoride. Sulfur tetrafluoride. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many fluorines are there? 4 fluorines are there. 4 fluorines are there. Now remaining dots are pairing them. 2 dots are pairing them. So for pair also give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. How many lone pairs are there? One lone pair there. sp3d, one lone pair is there. Any molecule having in this type of hybridization with one lone pair means the shape of the molecule is seesaw shape. Seesaw shape, and bond angle is less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. The shape of the molecule is seesaw. So what is the shape of SF4? So how to draw the seesaw means next class I will discuss that shape. So just remember that sp3d with one lone pair is the seesaw shape. Next, in ClF3, chlorine tetrafluoride, because these are interhalogen compounds. In 7th year group elements we have interhalogen compound. Halogens mixing themselves to give interhalogen compound. Chlorine is a halogen compound, fluorine also in the halogen compound. ClF3, chlorine belongs to which group? 7th group. I want to draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fluorines are there? 3 fluorines are there. Remaining dots are pairing them. For each dot give one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means the sum of powers equal to 5. Which type of hybridization? sp3d hybridization. What is the shape of the, how many lone pairs are there? Here one lone pair, here one lone pair. 2 lone pairs are there. If sp3d hybridization with the 2 lone pairs are there, the shape of the molecule is T shape. T shape. Okay. Now, in I3 minus means, but how to apply my trick for I3 minus? So take one I is the central atom, remaining I2 are the burning. Okay, so one I is the central atom means, for example, iodine belongs to which group? Iodine belongs to 7th group. I want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Minus is there, put 1 dot. Negative charge is there, 1 negative, 1 dot. 2 negatives, 2 dots. 3 negative, 2 dot. 3 dots. If it is positive charge, cation is there. So 3 positive, 3 dots are eliminating. 2 positive dots are 2 dots are eliminating. Okay, so 2 iodines are there. 1 iodine I am taking as a central atom. So remaining bonding or remaining dots are pairing them. So for each pair give one number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sp3d. How many lone pairs are there? 3 lone pairs are there. Definitely the shape of the molecule is linear shape. The shape of the molecule is linear shape. sp3d, 3 lone pairs are there. Definitely the shape of the molecule is linear shape. For example, xenon difluoride. Important please. For trick purpose it is important. Xenon compounds are important. Xenon belongs to 0 group actually. Inert gas element. After 7th group elements are known as 0 group elements. Because no need to take 0 for this xenon. Xenon after 7th group means I want to consider 8th group it is. For trick purpose, 0 group elements consider as 8th group but not 0. Why I am considering 8th group? After 7th group elements are 0 group elements. 7th group elements means 0 group elements. That 0 group for trick purpose I want to consider 8th group. I want to draw how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. How many fluorines are there? So 2 fluorines are there. Always bonding single bond. So remaining are pairing them please. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again sp3d. How many lone pairs are there? 3 lone pairs are there. The shape of the molecule is linear shape. Okay. Now SF6, sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride means sulfur belongs to which group? Again oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So 6th group, write 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Central atom is a sulfur. I want to draw atom, central atom, group number only. 6 dots. How many fluorines are there? 6 fluorines are there. 6 fluorines are there. Okay. So here 6 fluorines are there. Each fluorine bonding with a single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means sum of powers equal to 6 means sp3 d2. sp3 d2. How many lone pairs are there? 0 lone pairs are there. sp3 d2, 0 lone pairs are there. The shape of the molecule is octahedral shape. Which is shape? Octahedral shape. Octahedral shape, the bond angle is, so all atoms having 90 degrees only, equal to 90 degrees bond angle. So this is about trick for I3 minus, xenon difluoride and SF4. Anywhere sp3d, 3 lone pairs are there, shape is linear shape I3 minus XeF2. Anywhere sp3d2, 0 lone pairs are there, their shape is octahedral shape. Or F5 for example, interhalogen compound. Or ClF5, both are same only, here chlorine bromine. Bromine or chlorine belongs to 7th group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, central atom bromine, here central atom chlorine. So these are belongs to 7th group means 7 dots. For each 5 fluorines are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. sp3 d2, 1 lone pair is there. sp3 1 lone pair is there. Now the shape of the molecule is square pyramid. Square pyramid shape. Square pyramid shape. Square pyramid shape. ClF5 also same. ClF5 means chlorine is the central atom. Chlorine belongs to 7th group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F is having 5 fluorines. So for that, pairing that remaining dots, for pairing I am giving 1, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again sp3d, 1 lone pair, square pyramid. Square pyramid. For example, XeF4, xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon belongs to 0 group element, but for trick purpose consider xenon is the 8th group element. After 7th group elements are known as 0 group elements. I want to consider in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th group element. How many fluorines are there? So 4 fluorines are there. Each fluorine bonding always in single bond only. Remaining dots are bonding. So pairing them, for pairing also give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here sp3 d2, 6 number means sum of powers equal to 6. So which type of hybridization? sp3 d2 only. sp3 d2, how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pairs are there. Anywhere sp3 d2, 1 lone pair, square pyramid. sp3 d2, 2 lone pairs, square planar. Square planar. Now IF7 is there, for example. IF7 means iodine belongs to, this is also one type of interhalogen compound. Halogen compounds, so mixing themselves to form interhalogen compound. Iodine interhalogen, fluorine interhalogen. Both are halogen means interhalogen compound. Iodine belongs to 7th group means write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fluorines are there? 7 fluorines are there. 7 fluorines means, so here 7 fluorines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fluorines means sp3d3, 0 lone pair. sp3d3, 0 lone pairs means pentagonal bipyramidal shape. Bipyramidal shape. Pentagonal bipyramidal shape for IF7. For example, xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride means, xenon means after 7th group elements, xenon belongs to 0 group, but for trick purpose consider 8th group for 0 group elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fluorines are there? 6 fluorines are there. Each dot give 1 fluorine. So 6 dot. Remaining dots, pairing them. For pairing also give number 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. So total sum of powers equal to 7 means, so 7 means, so which type of hybridization? sp3 d3 hybridization. sp3 d3, 0 lone pairs, pentagonal bipyramid. sp3 d2, two lone pairs, square planar. sp3d3, one lone pair is there. Now the shape of the molecule is distorted octahedral. Distorted octahedral shape. This is about hybridization trick for various compounds. Follow my trick and apply various examples.